Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be diving deep into how to use TradingView, which is one of the best charting platforms out there. Whether you are a beginner just starting your trading journey or someone looking to improve your charting skills, this tutorial will cover all the essentials to help you make the most of TradingView, okay? Before we jump in, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials, tips, and strategies. Now, let's just quickly get started, okay? Now, the first step is creating your TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, just head over to TradingView website. You can just search for TradingView, right? Once you search for TradingView, once it opens, just create an account. That is, if you do not have an account already. Now, I already have an account created, so I'm already logged into my account. Okay, so if you do not have one, you should create an account for yourself. Just sign up. It's really quick to do that. So after you have created your account, you can just use the free account. All right, you can use the free account, but if you want to access more features like multiple charts and additional indicators, then you might want to upgrade to your paid plan. Okay, once you are signed up and logged in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Okay, you're going to see your chart, the market overview, right? Your watch list and all of that, all customizable to fit your preferences. Okay, now let's take a moment to familiarize ourselves with the layout. On the left, you have your tools menu, right? You have your tools menu on the left, where you can find a wide range of charting tools, from trend lines to support and resistance levels. You can easily select these tools, and draw them directly on your chart. Okay, at the top you'll find your time frames. You can actually modify. If you want some time frames to show, you just click on add to favorites, right? You can see how they're being added to the favorites. Okay, depending on the time frames you want to be displayed up here, right? All right, you can switch between any time frames of your choice. This is crucial because it allows you to zoom in and out of different time frames based on your trading strategy. Next to the chart is your watch list. This is where you can add all the instruments you are interested in, whether they are currency pairs, stocks, or cryptocurrencies. You can quickly add on any symbol on your watch list. Okay, you can just add any symbol to your watch list and it gets added here, and the chart will update to show its live price action. So far so good, right? Now let's move on to some of the key tools you'll be using. Let's talk about the charting tools. Okay, TradingView is known for its clean and intuitive charts. To add indicators like moving averages, RSI, or MACD, simply click on Indicators button at the top of your chart. A search bar will appear and you can type in any indicator that you want. For example, let's add the relative strength index to our chart. The RSI is great for spotting overbought and oversold conditions. Also, the RSI is a crucial tool for many traders. Okay, so once you've selected the RSI, it will automatically show up on the bottom of your chart. You can customize the settings. You can actually customize the settings here. If you just click on there, from there you can adjust the parameters like the period or the color. You can see you can adjust the color scheme to match your preferences. Okay, you also notice various drawing tools in the left hand menu, such as your trend lines, your Fibonacci retracements, all of that. We have a lot of tools on TradingView, a variety of them. Drawing on your chart is easy. Just click, drag, and place your lines where needed. Okay. One of the best features of TradingView is the ability to see your changes in real time. As soon as you add an indicator or draw a line, it's instantly reflected on the chart, making your analysis super efficient. Okay. Now let's talk about customizing your workspace. TradingView allows you to adjust the layout so it fits your style of trading. If you want multiple charts on your screen, just click on the select layout. So if you go to the top right, and select layout, you can see that is where you're going to find, different layouts. You can see different layouts for your chart. You can select, choose a layout with 1, 2, or more charts. This is especially helpful if you're monitoring multiple instruments at once. You can also customize the color scheme of your chart. To do this, you go to settings. When you go to settings, you can see you can actually modify the colors of the body of the candles, the borders, the wick. You can modify it according to your taste. Okay, another powerful feature of TradingView is the ability to set alerts. You can see this is alerts. You can create an alert here. Let's say you are tracking a certain price level. You want to be notified when the price hits that point. You can simply, go to the alert here and then just fill in all these details according to how you want, it to be, the symbol, the condition, when the price crosses, or up or crosses down, greater than, less than, all of that. Fixing the value. Do you want it to trigger only once or every time? All of that, and then you click on create once you are done. Okay, and you get your alerts when the requirements have been met. Once you've got your chart set up and your analysis is complete, you want to save your work. All right, so you can click on the save button at the top right of the screen. Okay, you can see save, right? So you can click on that. You can create multiple chart layouts for different trading strategies or instruments. What's even cooler is that you can share your charts with other traders. If you want feedback or just want to share your analysis, click the share button at the top right. Okay. You can generate a shareable link. So if you click on publish, if you want to share your analysis, or can click on that, and then you can publish. You can publish your charts and all of that. Right now, you can also be a part of the TradingView community. Okay, you can be part of the TradingView community where traders from all over the world can see your ideas. Okay, and that is a wrap on this TradingView tutorial. Now you know how to set up your accounts, navigate the platform, use powerful charting tools, customize your workspace, and set alerts to stay on top of the markets. TradingView is an essential tool for any trader looking to improve your technical analysis. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials like this one. Drop any comments you have in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you for watching, and as always, trade smart and stay profitable.